Hey, how are you guys? So what I got right here, it's a 2006 Volvo VNL with the Cummins ISX 10-speed transmission manual, Eaton 10-speed. Truck is wrecked. It has 1.5 million on the board, and it has about 300,000 miles on the after rebuild. The engine is clean, no oil leaks. It started right off, and it works really good. It's not smoking or anything. Oil pressure is good. If anybody interested, guys, let me know. I'll be started in a second. Oh boy, this truck don't have steps. Here's the oil pressure, which is really good for a car Mercedes. That's right here. It's ISX 400 horsepower and FRO 16210B 10-speed transmission. Anybody interested in the engine? Guys, let me know. They were painted. I don't think so. They original black. I think they are painted, spray painted. Tires are bad. Anybody looking for rims, guys, let me know. That's how it is in the back. The cap is completely done. Slow and cooler. Love that. Oil pressure is good.